Welcome back, YouTube. We're here to do an oil change on a 2016 Nissan Titan XD with the 5-liter diesel Cummins. Here's the oil filter part number from Nissan. Here's the location of the oil fill cap and the dipstick. It's going to be just left of the airbox. Alright, once you get the car in the air and you get underneath it, you're going to use a 13mm to loosen the drain plug. And then put your drip pan underneath, obviously, so you don't get it on your garage floor. Once the oil is done dripping out, go ahead, just put the plug back in and give it a little torque down. Usually I use 3 fingers up at the top of the ratchet. If you don't feel comfortable, you can look up the torque spec online and use a torque wrench. So the oil filter is on the bottom right hand side on the front of the motor, and you're just going to unscrew it, and then the oil is going to leak down, hit this metal plate, and come down into your drip pan. So make sure your drip pan, you take into account this waterfall effect that's going to happen. Otherwise it's going to end up on the floor. Alright, now go ahead, take some brake cleaner on a rag and wipe all this excess dirty oil off. Since the oil filter is vertical, what I'm going to do is fill it pretty much all the way up and take my finger and rub some oil on this rubber seal. Now screw on the oil filter and hand tighten it. Now put a funnel in and you're going to fill this up with 10 quarts right away. So if you have jugs, that's 2.5 jugs. Put it in right away and then turn the truck on, let it run for about 10 seconds and then check your oil level. To get the oil level just above half, you're going to want to use 11, just barely over 11 quarts of oil. So like 11.2 quarts, 11.15 quarts. But if you just go a little bit over 11, you should be alright. I'd like to thank everyone for checking out my video. Now hopefully you can do your own oil change on your turbo diesel Titan. Till next time, wrench on.